30 seconds till market open. Went over the watch list this morning, so those would be the things on watch. I see Mullen popping up as well. Something to take note of. But we got the same stocks on watch. MLGO up on another screen, like I said. 15 seconds. We're gonna just see what we get, and like I said, like always, we just be patient. Be patient and let the setup come to us. If it sets up, we take the trade, and if it doesn't, we do not. We are open. I didn't take any FNMA here. I kind of missed this entry. I didn't get any fill real quick, and just kind of going without me. BBAI looks to be doing the same, but it's just a bit too early. I want to give it a couple minutes. Might not trade FNMA until the breakout, to be honest. Again, if it re-breaks out, it's just a very slow mover. Very slow mover, so I'm okay to miss that. Wait for a bigger setup, bigger play. Let's get some lines going over here. A lot moving this morning, but just gonna be patient. I'm getting interesting different charts. Two charts, same chart. I'm just seeing different. I don't know why that is. Let's see. The wick of the candle is just in a different spot for some reason. Okay, there it goes. That looks more normal. FNMA did have a nice little spike, but like I said, I'm cool to miss that. I'm not going to chase it, obviously. I do not like this spread currently here. It's a 30-cent spread. That is ridiculous. It's like a 40-something cent spread now here, so not something I would be interested in. BBAI looking decent. ATCH, not the move I'm looking for. MLGO, also not the move I'm looking for so far. BBAI. Right now, just being patient, liking the look of this. I will take this if it sets up. It looks like it's going to set up. Oh, MLGO. Let's see what we got on MLGO. The problem is when multiple things want to make the move at once, right? Let's see. BBAI did make a break here. Just let it wick over. BBAI is a bit tricky, so nope, it is making the move. But I am also kind of watching MLGO here, so that's stuff I don't like. I don't like these wick candles, so just trying to wait for a clear move. This looks like it's coming back. And the spread is just so nasty on it. It's not something I'm interested in. It's just too big of a spread for me to play. MLGO is again kind of setting up like it did yesterday, so that is on watch on another screen. But for right now, BBAI. This is looking a lot better, but the spread, like I said, is just too big. I do not like that spread. I got a few things that are looking to make the move, so I'm just trying to narrow my focus down to whatever I feel is the best setup. MLGO is looking good. BBAI is looking good here now that it's over. Kind of have MLGO as why I'm not in ATCH, to be honest. Let's just put it like that. Switch them around so I got them all on one. BBAI is making the move. I just like to be patient with it because I feel like it's a very choppy ticker. But it is looking good. FNMA with a new high of day there. That is nice. But like I said, not anything that I'm too sad to miss. But nice first green day so far. 20 cents. trying to be patient. Bit of a better spread here. Not quite, but getting closer. I am thinking I'm going to buy some BBAI here, but I'm just trying to be patient. I'm going to take some BBAI on this. I like it. We're going to take it. I'm long BBAI here. On this pullback here when it kind of just held this break. There we go. That's nice so far. Good start. So far, only long BBAI here. For your first green day. Let's look at Fannie Mae. Fannie Mae with a nice first green day. The one we don't take, of course. Very nice. So yeah, we are just being patient on our BBAI entry. Very choppy ticker, like I said. MLGO kind of really not doing nothing, so I just have FNMA up just to see how it's moving. But a nice, 25-cent move there. Didn't fill, like I said, so wasn't going to chase. Would be looking to sell a little bit, probably anyway. ATCH looks like it's still kind of in play, but the spread is just not something I would trade, so it's just up. Just trying to be patient. ATCH. This looks like it wants to go. So the spread can tighten up. Still a 10-cent spread. That's a lot better there. 4 cents. BBAI definitely going the wrong way. Watching ATCH here closely. If the spread tightens up. Nice FNMA. Let's look at MLGO again. Let's see what we got. Okay, MLGO right there too. If MLGO goes green again, I might be interested in that. Watching closely. ATCH also wants to do it. MLGO. I'm going to long MLGO here on this break. So we are long MLGO and BBAI. Back in MLGO for the second day. And ATCH is just, the spread is not something that I'm really willing to trade at the moment. So let's see if MLGO can get moving here. And BBAI. So those are the two stocks that I'm currently long. And I could be okay with just those two positions for the day, especially considering that I did not take FNMA, which had a very nice, very nice first green day. And it's, of course, the ones you never trade are the ones that work out the best, I feel like. ATCH, I'm not gonna take this right now. I just don't like the spread, man. I don't like trading something with 10-cent spread minimum, you know. I do want to long it, but I'm gonna avoid this for now, and this one will probably work. Oh, this might rip, but it is what it is. Let's just be patient on the two that I'm in. And like I said, ATCH, that spread is not something that I am interested in trading, so I would have to let it be. As you can see right now, it's a 10-cent spread. Whereas you see BBI 1 cent, MLGO 2-3 cents. BBAI is just not really making the move. We just kind of hang tight now, man. We're in two plays. Just gonna let them do their thing. They either work or they fail. And that is it. Fannie Mae, man. So annoying. So annoying, the one I don't take, of course. Booming. Look at that. There goes ATCH, which I am not in. But you see, 20-cent spreads, man. Not fun for me. Fit the criteria perfectly, but just can't get behind that, unfortunately. I've been burned too many times on stuff like that, so I just let it be. Really wish I was in Fannie Mae, though, but it's all good. No emotion, you know? We just trade the plan. We're just kind of in here watching what's going on, you know? Whew. ATCH, nice move. Like I said, don't need to keep reiterating the point, but it was my top watch this morning until I saw the spread and I just decided to stay away. And that could be a huge miss on my part, but this is where we at, so. Just being patient with these two that I am in. Nice move so far in ATCH, which I'm not in. Lovely, if you can see it. Just decided not to get in it, of course. Fannie Mae, another one, looking good. This is looking kind of halty. Okay, and ATCH halted, so definitely a bad decision on not taking that this morning, but as you could see when I was thinking about entering it, the spread was just too big for me and I just could not do that. So it's probably a monster mover for the day. So just a little update as to what's going on here. Long BBAI, long MLGO, decided to not go long ATCH because of the spread, and it is working beautifully. Also decided to not take FNMA because I didn't fill and I didn't want to chase. So the two that I'm not in, working beautifully. The two that I am in, not really doing too much. And that is trading, unfortunately. And we just wait. See where ATCH opens up. Lovely move on Fannie Mae, man. Lovely. Let's see, ATCH should be unhalting soon, I believe. We'll see what it does. There we go. MLGO, did you guys see that? Did you see that volume come in? Let's go, baby. Come on, man. Come on, BBAI, let's go. Let's get some volume. Make it a little more interesting, you know? Maybe this is a 10-minute halt on ATCH, so not quite ready. But MLGO looking good here. Is charged. Good start on MLGO over there. BBAI looking like some pushes coming here, some volume hopefully coming in. Do like it for that first green day, man. It's super off the highs, so definitely has some range to make a move. Let's see here again. My FNMA was a miss. As I said, didn't fill, didn't chase. Nice, lovely move there. Would be very happy if I was in that. If you were in that, I would be exiting now. Or have already exited. Just kind of holding and monitoring my two positions here. And my other miss of the morning, ATCH. Halted. Should be unhalting soon. So it's just up. Would like some follow through on these. Not for the volume to fade off. ATCH, there it is open. So if you would have bought where I would have bought, it would be up $1 a share right now, which is amazing. You know, you got 1,000 shares, that's $1,000. So lovely ATCH. Big miss on my part this morning, but that's good. It's good to get that on camera. And I literally had this as my top watch this morning and made a decision to not trade it. And that's how it goes. Would have been a nice, so far you're up $1.40 a share, which is great. But it is a Scamex traded company, and the spread was just not something that I took, because I have played spreads like that in the past and have been burned. So, you know, you live and you learn. Or you live and it gets you fearful and then you don't take a trade because of it. But either way. 6 is like a nice target here. I could see it doing 6, probably more, but we'll see. Wow, look, it goes. There it goes. Just tapped 6. Beautiful. I would be exiting this if I was in it, which would be, you know, 16, $1.60 a share roughly at the top of 6. So yeah, MLGO looking good here. BBAI not looking so good here, which is unfortunate. I would be exiting some here for sure. BBAI, POS. And this is great because I have all this on camera and all of my emotional and or decision making live, so that's why I started this channel, so I can go back and review all this, because that is a big miss. This is my top pattern and was my top watch on the morning, so I will learn from this. But very nice if anyone made this play on this reversal, which is one of my favorite long patterns. Beautiful. BBAI not so much, as it is a first green day, and you know, you would have been burned on any of these days trying to play for the first green day, but it is very, very far off of its highs. So MLGO looking nice so far. Would love it to get over yesterday's highs. That would be great. So far pushing close to 5. There we go. We broke 5. That is amazing. That is beautiful. ATCH now on a pullback. MLGO with some continuous volume coming in. I like to see that. Would love for this to push to 6, 7 even. BBAI, POS. And ATCH, man, halted down. You see how dangerous this is? So yes, it did make a lovely move, but if you didn't get out in time, you would be currently stuck in a halt down, and this thing halted, I think, for 10 minutes last time, so you would just be sitting here not sure what to do if you didn't fully exit your position. And that is just not something I like to be a part of. You feel good for a few minutes, and then you're just not sure what's going on. So just trying to be patient. Just stay on here for now. It's MLGO, it's BBAI. BBAI, there's about a 20 cents difference between low of day and red. I would probably exit this at low of day if this does break low of day. I don't think I would hold it till red, but we shall see. Give it a couple minutes here. If not, I'll just set some stops and walk away. I don't need to be here on camera just watching this doing nothing. But do you see why I said about ATCH, why I was so skeptical to trade this? Because, I mean, yes, it did have an amazing push, and then it halted. And immediately out the halt, you had 1, 2, 3 minutes to get out before you being stuck in a downward halt. And that is just, if you've ever been stuck in a halt, especially if the halt is against you, it's not a great feeling, man. Come on, BBAI. I know you can make some moves here. MLGO looking okay. Let's go. I want to continue seeing some volume. I mean, it's only got 3 million in volume right now. It's not going to do as much volume as yesterday by the looks of it. ATCH 5-minute halt now. It is open. See the spread here. Nice ATCH out the halt. Still up $1 a share from my entry if I would have entered. But I would just not want to sit through any of that. Lovely, look at that. Someone's caught off guard here. See if it could officially break that 6 here. Or will it double top and stuff? It's looking like it wants to break it. There it is, through 6. There it goes. What a play, ATCH. What a miss on my behalf. Crazy. Go for another 13 minutes till 10:30. Man, we just stay patient, man. You don't let the misses that you don't take sway your decisions for the rest of the day, man. You just keep it cool. Happy for anyone that did long this. And, you know, we rewatch this and learn on how we could take trades with spreads that are just beyond what we normally would trade. Forever a student. We've got about 10 minutes left here. Let's see if we can get any kind of momentum or push on either of these. There we go, MLGO. Come on. BBAI just feels so heavy to me, which is so unfortunate. Same thing yesterday, same thing for all them days people have been playing it, you know. Lovely reversal. MLGO pulling back now. BBAI also pulling. What time you leaving, babe? Wow, ATCH, what a move. You are currently up $2 from my missed entry. That is insane. These are the plays that I look for. This is the type of move I was looking for in MLGO yesterday. Lovely. Very big miss on my part. This looks like it might halt up again here. This was an absolutely beautiful play here. I would definitely be out by now. Oh, you see these reversals? Amazing plays, man. I just wish I didn't talk myself out of this morning, as I did say in my watch list that it was my top watch, but couldn't get behind that spread, man. And instead, I'm behind two stocks that are not working, and that is trading. I think I'm going to get out of this BBAI. It's just not making the move. It's just so heavy. It feels so heavy to me. I don't like that. MLGO retracing also. ATCH, just more insult to injury here. Insanity. Insanity. $7. Great move there for anyone long that.
Do you want 200 more in cash?
I'm on the stream right now, baby. But sure, babe.
Okay, I'll leave it here.
Thank you. I was supposed to come with you right now, but I just can't. Alright, well, I got these two stops set on these. I am going to let this be for now. Let them play out, work or fail. They both look like they're failing, so I got my stop set. I'm going to walk away. I will come back and check on them later. I will update as I do. Stay safe out there.